Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Good morning. What's it with him? Good morning, guys. This is the setup for today.
Yeah, I'm proud of the
Mm.
I go do something on bush boat.
We're going to chop bush.
Yeah, no, man, I said that. Man, I'm American people here said that you know the thing.
So look what Outlaw's driving today. A pickup truck.
Yeah, that's something there. Work is work.
Yeah, we're on the work today.
I'm not chicken we are doing.
Yeah, different type of work, but work anyway. So this is what we're rolling out in today. This is the whip. I'm going to chop bush too.
Yeah, you understand.
You're not walking with your machete? With your machete?
Oh, with machete. Where too far? Where too far?
It's in there. It's in there.
Put machete me on the side.
Going for his machete, guys. He's going for his machete. So yes, guys, this is what we're working with today. This little pickup truck. Yeah. Waiting for his machete or cutlass. So he's got his cutlass there, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. These people, we're on the road. We're on the road. So you can drive stick shift. Yeah. We're on the road, guys. So we're doing some work in the bush, and Outlaw's uncle, who you see here, was the cook, right? So he was cooking for all the men that were working. Guys, this is the real outdoor cooking. You see he was preparing his chicken, he's seasoning his chicken. You see how he just crouched down, guys? He's just crouched down. Yeah. He's got a piece of cardboard, he's got all of his seasonings, he's got everything he needs. Yes, people, this is what I love about Jamaica. This is Jamaica that I love. These are the type of things I love to experience. So I just stood with him like for the whole time, watching everything he was doing. Just, yeah, taking it all in. I love it. Literally outdoor cooking, bush cooking. Yeah. So he's cutting up his scallion and, yeah, rubbing it together. Yeah. And what I love watching as well is he went and collected his firewood. He chopped it to the size he needed. He started the fire, which you will see coming up now. There he is, putting his pieces of firewood together, his wood together to make up a fire. You see him there, yep. And by the way, like I said, this is Outlaw's uncle, and he is actually a professional chef. He's a professional cook, professional chef. So he knows his thing. There he's sorting out his wood to make a fire with. See the smoke there, people? See the smoke? Yeah. So he's getting his fire ready to put on his pot. Guys, let me tell you, it was the best food. It was the best food I've had, honestly. The best food I've had. There he's there. So he's cutting up some yam right there. Yes, putting his yam in the pot. You see how he's just crouched down? Guys, he's better than me because I couldn't stay down that low for so long, and I'm much younger than him. I tell ya. Yeah, man, these country people are strong. I'm telling you, strong. So there he is now, making some dumpling. Yeah, rolling and shaping his dumpling then for the pot. So he's putting in his fried chicken, flouring his chicken and putting in the chicken to fry. You see, this guy's all outside in the bush. Yeah.
Not on TikTok. You know TikTok? I'm not. TikTok. No. Not TikTok. TikTok.
Yes, banana time. Peel banana and put banana in the pot.
Good joke.
He say when me heard me people say,
Yes, guys, this is the finished result. Remember the food that you saw cooking? Definitely bush cooking outside. This is it. Looks good, tastes even better, honestly. Yeah.
Good old donkey, man. How you around for? Yeah.
Him grow that's how to see the bees then.
Okay.
This is one of the man I live down out that's about him. He live down there son.
Oh.
The way they skid this man
The one them there.
and he move with him.
Country. Country people, country. All you need is a donkey.
this one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.